Hi guys, I'm doing a bit of yard work today out here on the farm, and just wanted to show you this. This is a Stihl MS271 chainsaw. I've had this for about 3 years now, and I upgraded from a Ryobi, and it's been the best purchase. It cuts through wood like butter. It's easy to maintain, easy to start. You really just pay for quality compared to other brands. It's well worth paying that extra little bit of money. As they say, poor man pays twice. Comes with a little tool as well. This is called the Stihl 2-in-1 sharpener. It's got special guides there. It's really easy to use compared to other methods of doing your chain. I need to sharpen my chain now, so let's go do that. So what we have today is the Stihl 2-in-1 sharpening tool. I find this really easy to use compared to the older methods. This is how we basically use it. What I like to do first is mark which tooth I'm starting at so I don't resharpen. We line up the arrows with the chain and we sit it in the groove parallel. And if you can see here in here, it sits on top of the rake as well. And if you sharpen and you don't do the rake as well, the depth level won't change and there's no point sharpening your chain. Okay, what we'll do now is we'll line it up parallel to the chain, and we'll do 2 or 3 passes in the same direction, and then we'll move on to every other tooth. Right, once we've done that, we'll swap it over and we'll do the other teeth. Now that's done, you can get back to sawing.